Hey guys, and welcome to Art by Kadim. And in this new video that I am showing you guys here, I am drawing Goku in his Ultra Instinct form. Here, as you can see, I am drawing his eyes. I have already drawn one of them already. I'm drawing the next one now, as you can see. Now I'm going for the eyes. I'm here trying to draw it perfectly and properly as best as I can. My skills. I'm going for the other eye right now. Now I'm going to draw the other eye, the pupil, should I say. And now I am going for the nose. I am drawing the nose as how it would shape and set in the manga series. I am here now drawing the little ridges underneath the eyes. Now I am here drawing his mouth, showing you guys how he looks when he means business, when he's about to end an epic brawl between a great adversary. Now, as you can see here, I am drawing his face to fit up with his eyes, ears, and nose and mouth. Drawing the little details in the ears. Now I'm going to draw the hair. You all know this most popular hairstyle that he has, and this one, the creator of this manga series, having how should I say, they have done such a great job in creating such an beautiful masterpiece. I mean, this is something that I love. When I was a little child, I used to love watching the series, you know, waiting after school, wanting to see every episode. I would even try to get to play it, every chance I get. I mean, here in Jamaica where I live, I get to play the game, so it was a it thing for me. Playing the game, watching the series, you know, get every single card. I would spend hours or, you know, hours each and every day to draw my favorite manga series, and favorite character. So here, as you can see, I'm here trying to finish drawing the hair, the most signature hair of Goku, the protagonist of this manga series. Trying to get every detail as how it is shown in the Dragon Ball Super series. Trying to finish it, put in the final touches. Now I'm going for the neck, drawing every detail as you can see here. Drawing the little detail. Now I'm going to draw the chest. Drawing the details as best as I can here, as you can see. Now I'm drawing his body, his chest, his muscles, his six-pack, battle damage, as every one of you guys can see in every single episode and every fight that he has been in. So here I'm drawing it. And guys, in the next video I'll be showing you how I would color it. I'm just drawing this for now to show you how I can be able to draw him. I mean, this is a guy that, never gives up, willing and up for any challenge at all that he faces, and he always succeed, even if he sacrifice himself in order to let his son or his friend in order to win against any adversary he has come upon. So now, as I say, I'm just drawing him for now. Not going to draw the full body though. I'm just trying to draw